Good morning, everybody. I'm coming to you from Ormond Beach, Florida. I've got the beautiful Atlantic Ocean behind me. Sun getting ready to rise here on a beautiful day in Florida. And we have the most amazing news about our channel. I know I kind of teased it a little bit a little while ago that we were going to have some changes coming up. Well, one of the big changes was we reached our monetization requirements and we applied for monetization for this channel and we got approved, so we're moving forward with the channel, which is awesome news. Thank you to everybody that's been subscribed. Thank you to everybody that's been watching. This truly means the most to us. It's starting a new chapter for us potentially in our lives and starting something new to do even more, to dive into even harder than we have the last few months. Kind of like the sun rising behind me. It's the sun rising potentially on something new for us to do with ourselves. Finally reached it on April the 8th, which was my mom's birthday. My mom's been passed away for about 15 years. April 8th was her birthday, so I feel there was some significance to the fact that we received that 4,000 level on her birthday. And then we applied for monetization, and they say it can take up to 30 days. Usually it takes, well, from what I was hearing, 7 to 14 on average recently. It's April 9th. It took us one day, and we received the approval to monetize our videos and our channel. And I know that's not everybody's goal when it comes to YouTube. I'm not trying to get rich on YouTube. I'm just trying to bring a little extra income into my family while I'm having fun traveling. Traveling's the main thing I like to do in life. Even if I wasn't behind a camera or in front of a camera, my wife wasn't doing her photography that she loves, we still would be traveling. I mean, we've been to 49 of the 50 states. Not bad to have hit all 49 states. I think we've been to 7 or 8, maybe 9 different countries as well. So we definitely love to travel, but this is just the extra motivation to say, hey, your traveling can pay off a little bit. So we're going to keep pushing, and we've actually got some huge changes coming up to the channel in addition to this monetization. One of the big changes is we are actually going to be changing the name of our channel. And there's a reason why we're changing the name of the channel. PrimeTime UCF is the name of our channel currently. UCF was the college that I went to in Orlando, Florida. It's the University of Central Florida. School means the world to me. I love the school. I'm always there for football, basketball, baseball. I'm a season ticket holder for damn near every sport. That's part of what keeps me in Central Florida, besides this glorious sunrise. So we're gonna kind of get away from using the UCF name. We're gonna be dropping that and switching channel names. Keeping the prime time, which when you think prime time, you think prime time at night. You know, primetime television, must-watch things on TV. So with the primetime part of our channel staying, we are going to be switching our release times. Currently, we release videos every Wednesday and Saturday at 10 a.m. We're actually going to be bumping it up to releasing videos instead of 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're going to be bumping the videos to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I don't know if that's going to make a big difference on our viewership. We're just doing it because if we're prime time, we should be in prime time. Simple as that. Then the other thing that we have planned for changes is we're going up to 3 days a week. That's a big jump going to 3. So, exciting news. We've been waiting until we got monetized to make some of these changes. So they've been things that have been in the works for a couple of weeks. So we're just looking forward to making these changes, getting them out there. And there's going to be more details. There's going to be another one of these videos dropping just before we change the channel. And those of you who love our PrimeDrive videos, that's going to be a permanent once-a-week fixture. We just don't know which day of the week it's going to be on. Because those videos have been getting a lot of views, a lot of feedback. People seem to enjoy watching those. All of you that are subscribed, thank you for subscribing. Those of you who haven't subscribed yet, hit that button down below. I mean, our channel is growing, it's booming. You want to be part of it. You want to say you were in before the crowd took over, right? Kind of like when you buy stocks. You want to be invested in us, invested in our channel, because we are willing to put out great content for you guys. We want to continue to do so. If you want to guess what our new channel name is going to be, or maybe give some suggestions, leave a comment down below. We always try to respond to every single comment on every single one of our videos, going back to even our first video that we posted in 2019. All right, we will see you soon.